Okay, let us today in today's class. I'm going to take the class over in Python enums class. Okay, so as I promised it that classes are being conducted thrice of a week, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, sharply at 8 p.m. But yesterday means today is 2 March 2nd. Na? So first March class was not conducted on Friday. Today class I will conduct on Sunday also conduct. And apart from that, as I promised that I will teach the classes until last breath of life. And as I promised that I started to teach over C started, C++, it will take time. Okay. First, let me complete the C. Okay. And Java, Python, almost 80% I have completed. And Java, Python parallelly I have started. After that, some as per requests of students, I started to teach Microsoft Azure, which is part of cloud computing platform. So many rivals are there, Amazon Web Services and your Google Cloud Computing, GCC. Okay, I started Microsoft Azure. And then after, one student has requested me to take the class over SQL, structured query language, I started. And DSA, that is very important part. As I briefed starting, okay, DSA, data structures and algorithms. But question is that until unless you don't have any proper knowledge, at least you must have one knowledge in one language. Before going to data structures and algorithm, you must have at least 50% or 60% knowledge in any one language, C++, C Sharp, Python, Java. Okay, then you can go for try to understand data structures and algorithm, because data structures and algorithm is not a programming language. It just is a part of computer science. Understand? So data structures and algorithms can be written in any language, C++. Different language has different data structures and algorithms. Syntax will be different. Okay. So as I told you that data structure is nothing but how to store the data in different structures. Okay. And algorithm is nothing but step-by-step instructions to return to solve a given problem. So that is what. Okay. So I have briefed and I started. So you can whomever if they are unable to attend my classes, you can watch all that videos I kept in YouTube in our channel. Okay, that is one best idea I have, right decision I have taken once that any classes are being conducted, if I keep them in my channel. So that may be useful if students, they are unable to, due to their busy schedule, if they are unable to attend the classes, so they can go there and check, they can practice them. That is not a problem. Then after I started to give the guidance to low profile students, 10th class, 12th class, whenever I have interacted with the students, whenever I went for government schools to promote the education as a free service. As I told you that I am giving free service to education. So they requested me that, sir, just I have completed my 10th class and 12th class. I don't want to pursue further studies because due to my poor financial conditions. So then can you guide me to any career guidance? I promised him, surely I will notify you whenever I will get the job notifications. So as per that, I started to that is what one in our channel. I think I have done one important thing. That is what, under our channel playlist, under a playlist. Okay. If you go under whenever you come under playlist here, you can get lot of job opportunities. One playlist is here. Under this, you can get the job opportunities. Okay. Here, all the job opportunities, they have been notified here from zero to hero, from all the jobs. Okay. You go there and you get the notifications. Apart from that is what your, apart from your, apart from your programming. Okay. So now today we will try to understand enums, enum in Python. Okay. So I am using the IDE PyCharm here. Within this, PyCharm is a code editor integrated development environment. As I told you that IDE will be used for integrated development environment. Here I am using what? PyCharm for Python. PyCharm, it is a code editor. Okay. It is an IDE. Many times I told you that IDE is nothing but it is abbreviation for integrated development environment. So this PyCharm code editor will be used to write the code. Many code I have written C. So this is the code I have written under data structures and algorithms. Okay, this is the code. So for Python, I have created one that is array, and these are the algorithms, step-by-step instructions I have written. Step-by-step instructions I have written. One by one, step-by-step instructions I have written, and then given for a given problem. This is the problem. So whenever I have taken the class for data structures and algorithms, so I have used this Python. As I told you that data structure and algorithms will be differ for language. C has some syntax is somewhat different. Okay, syntax will be somewhat different. So now let us try to understand what is enum. So enum is a class. Okay, first of all, try to enum is a class. So it is a enumeration, means enum is it is a enumeration. Enum means that is the enumeration is short for enum. So enumeration means short. I have written short as enum. In programming, it will be called as enum. So enumeration is a set of named values. Okay, set of named values. So it is a short for enumeration. Enum is a class short for enumeration. So enumeration is a short of enum. It is a class. Okay. So now it is a set of values. Set of named values. It is a set of named values. Okay. So it is, you can say it is also a data type. It is a data type also. Enumeration is it is a class, and short for enumeration. It is a set of named values. Okay. And we can say that it is also a data type also. Okay. Then after we can write some word. It is, I think, enough. So this named values.